Hey, are you looking for a free and fast tool that can help you compare your website with your Figma design? Look no further. Pixel Compare can help you with that. It works for various target viewports. What you have to do is simply export your design in image format from your preferred design tool like Figma or Adobe XD. Just upload that design file here and provide the URL. Then you can control website opacity, design to scale, and overall zoom. So let's say we set overall zoom to it, and then we can clearly find out the issues that our website may have when comparing with the design, like here in FAQ section and in the footer section. You can simply take screenshots and raise those issues with your front-end developer. In the future release, we are going to provide an option to export a PDF report for that may cover the issues, and you can share that report with your front-end developers or concerned teams.